said she's in her pond behind her house. Her kids are playing there. She's got a nuisance gator out there.
Alright, just text me the address. Thanks.
All right, bye.
How you doing?